Good morning everyone. Welcome to the first session of Economic Applications class. First, I would like to begin the class with the importance of this subject, economics. Since you all are the children of Standard 9, therefore you need to know why we are studying economics. What is the importance of this subject? Until and unless you know its importance, you will not give your full attention towards it. Therefore, I would like to first state why we study economics as a subject. First of all, I would like to tell you that economics came into existence due to the following two reasons. What are the following two reasons? Unlimited human wants and limited resources. For example, today you are riding a bicycle. As your income rises, you want a scooter or a motorbike. Slowly and gradually, with increasing your income further, you want to have a four-wheeler. But still, has your want come to an end? No, absolutely not. Now you will desire for a luxurious car. So, wants multiply over time and it is unlimited, but the resources which are available to us are absolutely limited. And because of these two reasons, we study the subject matter of economics. Economics is all about the economic questions. Whatever happens in an economy, why it happens, what are the reasons behind it? It is actually a science. It is actually a science related to society. Therefore, it is also known as a social science, which are concerned with all economic questions. What are these economic questions which raises in the mind of people? How do consumers decide to spend their income on various purchases of their products? Second, what determines the level of wages in an industry or the salary for an employee in any concern or institution? Third, how do producers decide what to produce, in what quantity, and how much to sell in the market? How to produce, at what price to sell? Next, why is India facing a problem of unemployment, poverty, etc., etc.? What determines the level of national income? So these are the various questions which arises in the mind of people. And that is why this subject came into existence. Now, various economists have given their views related to the definition of economics. In this particular chapter, we will discuss about the views given by different economists regarding this subject. So, let us further proceed. So now, as you can see, the definitions given by various economists. At first, we have the definition given by Adam Smith, who is regarded as the father of economics. In his definition, he defined economics as it is a study of wealth, which means he has given the prime importance to wealth. and he ignored the higher values of life, such as happiness, welfare, and moral values. He has not given importance to mankind and its welfare. So, his definition is criticized on certain basis by Marshall. Why? Because there is something lagging in his definition. What is that? At first, he has given too much importance to wealth and he ignored the higher values of life. Secondly, the prime importance was given to material goods and non-material aspects have been ignored. Third is, prime importance was given to the nature and causes of wealth. So, based on these criticisms, his definition to some extent was not a success. Next, we come to the definition given by Alfred Marshall. He defined economics as a study of mankind. He gave prime importance to the welfare of mankind, and therefore his definition was accepted to a certain extent. He regarded economics as a social science rather than human science. But do you know, because of this, his definition was also being criticized. For example, according to him, a person or an individual living in society is a part of economics. But a person who is away from the society or lives in isolation, he is not a part of economics. But is he not engaged in the human activities? Is he not performing any activity which relates to economics? Therefore, his definition was also criticized to a certain extent. Next, we move on to the definition given by Lionel Robbins. In his definition, he told that since human wants are unlimited and resources to fulfill that human wants are limited, therefore these resources are to be utilized in such a way that there is minimum wastage out of it, and it can be put to many alternative uses. Like, for example, I would like to state so that it becomes more clear in your mind. Steel. Steel is manufactured out of iron and it is put to many uses. Steel rods, utensils, cutleries. So, it is available in limited quantity, but it can be put to number of uses, alternative uses. So, in his definition, he has given the utmost importance to the problem of choice. Why it arises? Because of unlimited human wants and limited resources. Like when you go to a departmental store to buy the commodities you want, so don't you make choice? Because the things are available in limited quantity. Therefore, you make choice which one to buy according to your own preference. Number of brands are available, number of products are available. Therefore, we make choice. Since our resources are limited, therefore, we need to go for a choice. So I hope you have understood the definition given by these three economists. Next, I move on to the definition given by Professor Samuelson. As I have already displayed over here, in his definition, he defined economics as a study of how men choose to employ the scarce resources in order to produce the goods and distribute them over time. How these scarce resources are utilized optimally by individuals or society. He laid emphasis on the scarcity of resources not only at present times but also in the future. Therefore, sustainability has to be maintained. So, his definition is widely accepted because it is a growth-oriented definition. It not only relates to our present, but it also relates to our future.